Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Amine. There have been many questions asked to me on photo services by VFS because it is a new service and not much guidelines are present on the photo service use. But in this video, we'll take a look on how to use the photo services and when to use the photo services. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to this website. So I will post the link of the website in the description below and in the highlighted comment. So you need to go to this website and it is going to ask you to follow these simple steps outlined here. First of all, you need to have a digital photograph readily available, which is a recent one, and then you need to click on the proceed button. So click on proceed. Here it is asking for your email address in order to receive the OTP. So basically you enter your email address here and then you enter the CAPTCHA code. Click on I consent to the processing. Then click on get OTP. It is going to send you one-time password that you can use in order to log in to the photograph service. Copy and paste the OTP over here. Then click on validate OTP. Now here it is going to ask you a few questions such as the state of residence. You can select your state of residence, Texas. So this is the application center, Houston. It is the only application center in Texas. Then select Consular category. For any of the VFS application, photograph service is applicable. For the reissuance of passport or OCI or PCC. So basically select OCI, PCC or any other option that is applicable to you. Click on subcategory. So that would be passport pages exhausted or passport going to expire. Then you need to enter the applicant's name. Then you need to enter your mobile number. Enter the government application number. Then after that, you basically need to click on upload photo and choose a particular file. Click on the recent photograph that meets the requirement of the consulate and then click on open. Click on OK, and this is where it is asking you for the picture cropper. So this is a random photograph that I have selected, but if the photograph meets the requirements, then it will fit in this square. After that, you can click on process and preview. Here you can click on continue. Here you are supposed to make a payment of $8.27. So enter the credit card details, expiry date, CVV and name on card and click on pay $8.27. So basically the photograph that you have uploaded, it should be as per the requirements and it will be considered for the ARN number that you have entered while filling in the form on the photo service. Now here the catch is you need to only enter the credit card details if you have not paid for the photo service already. If you have already paid for the photo service, then you are not supposed to enter the credit card details. So it is just double payment. The link I have pasted in the description and the highlighted comment is for those applicants who have already not opted for the photo service. So that means they have not already paid and then they need to use this website and fill in the fields and then provide the payment details of the credit card and then click on pay $8.27. So this is how your digital photograph, it goes to the VFS. The VFS basically prints your photograph and attach to the application wherever required. So this is about the VFS photo service if you have not already opted and if you have not already paid for it. But assume that you have already paid for the VFS photo service while filling in the application on the VFS portal. Then what to do? I have been asked this question multiple number of times. So the simple answer to this is you should check your email. You should check your spam emails, because VFS, when you have opted or paid for the photo service, they send a confirmation email with a personalized VFS photo service link. When you click on that link, it will ask the same set of fields that I have just shown you. You need to enter your details, your Consular service center, you should enter your ARN number and all the other details, but it will not ask you for the payment. It will directly ask you to upload the digital photograph. And that's how you need to use the photo service. And the important things that you need to remember about the photograph is that when you upload the digital photograph, it should not be a selfie. It should be a color photograph and should be 2" by 2". And it should be very clear and have continuous tone quality. Basically, it is supposed to be a professional digital photograph, and it should be recent and it should not be retouched or enhanced. And if you are facing any issues when you click on that personalized link, you can change your browser from Google Chrome to Edge or Safari or Internet Explorer, and you should clear your browser history and delete all cookies if you are facing any difficulties while uploading the photograph. So these are the basic steps that you need to follow. And then there are other photo requirements, that is, you need to center your head within the frame and your face should cover 60 to 70% of the photo area, and it should show full head from top of your hair to the bottom of the chin, and both ears, neck, shoulders should be visible. And you need to present a full face front view with eyes open, and also use a plain white background. And many a times I get a question on the hijab, so I would like to mention that you need to make sure that both ears are visible in the photograph. And if you have opted for this photo service, you do not need to send physical photos with your application packet. The VFS will print and affix the uploaded photo to your application forms. And even for documents requiring photos such as change of appearance affidavit, you can submit them without attaching photos if you opt for VFS photo service on the VFS portal. Now, another question that I have been asked is, it is asking for double payment. The double payment issue comes when you are following the general link. You need to use the personalized link that is sent to your email address, and you need to check the spam emails for that particular email that has been sent by VFS regarding the photo service. If you have not received that email, then you need to contact the VFS support and they can help you or resend that particular email with personalized photo service link where you need to upload your photograph. So do not make the payment 2 times. Just contact the VFS support office and they can help you with the personalized link where you just upload a photograph and do not pay for it. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, then you can reach out to me. I have posted multiple videos on OCI, Indian passport renewal in United States through VFS, basically all of the VFS applications. VFS applications are a little bit complicated, but you can follow all the videos that I have posted. Those are step-by-step instructions and in complete details. So it will be very easier for you to fill in the details and submit your applications. Thank you all for your support. Take care and bye-bye.